Hello people, as today is a Sunday, that's why I have thought to give a sneak peek into what I do in my usual Sunday. I woke up early in the morning, had a cup of black coffee, then I had my bath, read a book, and then I headed towards the gym. And I walked out for 1 hour, then I came back home and then I headed towards the parlor, had my hair trimmed, and then I thought to catch up with a friend of mine. Both of us went to a resort, had a couple of drinks and some refreshments, and after talking to our heart's content, we headed back towards our home. So this is just a usual Sunday in my life. Bye bye.